Virgin Galactic, SpaceX, a lot to talk about, a lot going on. A lot of people on the phones, been busy this morning, listening in to Sensei's show, Vaz's show at the same time, while trying to make some purchases, while trying to talk to a team of 7. Do you see that big green candle? No coincidence. Right, let's get straight into the show. Welcome, everybody. Let's get everyone, first of all, tap the like button. Let's have some fun this morning, shall we? You like making money? We're going to make some money this morning. So tap the like button and let's get ready to rumble. In fact, we're not even going to start the show until we get 100 likes. There's too much good stuff going on, too much excitement, and we're going to get 100 likes. That's just the way it is. Here we go. Let's go over to the big screen and welcome everyone onto the big show and see where we start off. Right, here we go. We're starting off with a rubbish 1. So we're going to start by refreshing that and bring you all the Virgin Galactic SpaceX news that you can throw a cat at. I don't know, is that a real thing? All right, we've gone 1 to 40 in 1 second. I'll have a bit of that. We want 100, then we get suggested on YouTube, and then you get all the good stuff. Virgin Galactic, I'm back, they're back, we're back. Why are we back? I'll tell you in a minute. You wait for the numbers, you make educated decisions, and then you buy. You never guess. Right, 40. Let's have a look. Have we moved? We want 100. We're at now 80. We doubled it again. We doubled again. We doubled again. Hey, while you're tapping the like button, don't be so bloody lazy. Go and hit subscribe as well. You might as well, because we've got the most energetic, excited audience in the world that gets stuff done and have money behind it to get stuff done too. You ready? Okay, let's refresh the screen in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, boom. Are we at 100? Let's rock and roll, let's rock and roll. 99. Well, I can't cheer yet, can I? I had my finger on the button. Had my finger on the button. Come on, everybody. Tap one more like in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's have it, let's have it, let's have it. What is that? What's that say on the screen? 106. I'm having a bit of that. Let's pump it up. Go. Welcome to the big show. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to Martyn Lucas, investor. Welcome to the big show. We're all back. Everyone's back for good reason. What are we talking about? Virgin Galactic, SpaceX doubling down when everyone's going, oh no, I'm selling this. We're buying more.
Through Super Chat.
Thank you, Diesel Raider, for the support. So let's go and look at the markets. We didn't cover the opening bell because Vaz covered the opening bell. So where are we this morning? We're down $7,000. That's fantastic. What? Down 7 grand? What are you talking about? We've got 1.1 million and we're down $8,000. We could be down $50,000 today and I'd love it. Why? Because I would buy a ton more of something and something else as well. So it's a good day, and I'll tell you why it's a good day in a minute. Let me reshuffle my seat. There we go. So the overall portfolio is down a bit today, but I'm loving it. Remember, I don't do stop losses. Sensei spoke about it on the show this morning. Institutions wished they could not do stop losses, but they can't. They'd be in trouble. They can't do it. We can do what the hell we like. Retail investors have far more power than institutions. It's why we can beat them, and I've been beating the market for 4 years by a long way. What about this? The S&P 500 up. Why is it up today? Well, because we got a good kind of conflicting inflation report. It was good, it was bad, it got revised, people didn't understand it, they still don't understand it. But the overall market is saying, I like it. Now, this is good and bad, depending on where you are. So, Virgin Galactic, oh, what happened there? Well, I tell you what happened there. Did you all see a big green candle right when I was talking to you in Discord? Did anybody see that? Did anybody notice a big green candle this morning on Virgin Galactic? Anybody? Did you see it? Exactly as I was posting in Discord and social media. Anybody see that? I hope you did, Because if you didn't, what's the bloody point? I wanted to throw some noise at the market this morning. I was on the phones. It's why Sensei and Vaz were doing their thing, and I was on the phones preparing something else. And if you're not noticing it, and you're not feeling the love, what's the point? No one see anything going on? What's going on? Anyway, put in the chat, yes, did you see? Right, thank God for that. Otherwise, why are we bothering? I might have made a few phone calls this morning and we had a little chat. Well, Vaz is doing his EVTOLs. We had a little chat and we said, what about this Virgin Galactic? We know last night, Virgin Galactic, well, what can I say? Didn't have the best result, did it, when it announced it's pushing back its flights. However, the balance sheet strengthened, and I said, this is bad, really bad for Virgin Galactic, but it could be potentially good if we drop enough, and inflation looks nice, and we can buy back in. And if the reason for the potential dilution is not for spending on themselves, but buying some more rockets, and most importantly, if the reason for the delay of what Virgin Galactic do so well might be something to do with keeping the price down for the shareholder program. If we could find that out, and if we could establish that, it might be a nice time to buy Virgin Galactic. But we're not going to guess, we're not going to gamble, we're going to wait. So this morning, I'm on the phone, I'm in a WhatsApp group, and we're waiting for two things. We're waiting for inflation and clarification about the shareholder program. We got it, so we bought it.
At High Energy Investments tipped $5 through Super Chat. Thanks for yesterday. Sold SPCE for $2.95 with a 10% profit, bought back in at $2.90 and increased my shares. I feel like a real trader.
You are a real trader. All the Discordians are. All the Electrum members are. All the Insta-Lucasades are. All the newsies. We all are. We're all winning. We've beaten the market for 4 years in a flipping row. By a long way, 50-odd% this year. So congratulations, everyone who understood the logic behind Virgin Galactic. You've got to know what is being said and what is not being said. It's so important. Anyway, so on the announcement of the inflation, we were ready, we bought. I'm not going to share with you at the moment how much I've bought. That's for Discord. We are not going to give away positions here on the show because we are winners and will continue to win and continue to beat the market. And last night, some of you were quite upset with me on Discord. I was quite hurt. Yes, I was. Because you're all my friends. But I've got to do what's right for me as an investor, which is what's right for you as a Discordian. Not tell you it's great when it's not. It's an opportunity, and I told you, I even asked the question, are you guys now working out how I work, how these things work? We're not going to give away things on the show. We make it entertaining. We take people down a little mulberry bush, a little path. The shorters get confused. The trolls haven't got a clue. They walk into the same traps over and over again. Well, we keep winning. Oh, Martyn's just trying to drive it down so he can buy some more. Was I? Or was it calculated? Was it calculated for all Discordians and all Electrum members to win? Well, are you all winning? Did we buy back in? Yes. Is everybody up? Yes. Was it the right thing to sell before the earnings? Yes. Was there a delay? We said there would be. And if there was, it would drop. And did it? Yes. Did everyone try to buy when they said there was no problem with the dilution? A few idiots did, and we called it out. We said, don't do it. I shouted at the screen. Up it went, and then it dumped because I tapped my ear. I gave you a little signal that all my Discordians recognize now. 1 taps, 2 taps, 3 taps. A lot of my Discordians know what's going on now. The YouTube audience haven't got a clue. The non-members, the trolls, they keep guessing, and they'll always get it wrong because when they think they've worked it out, I'll turn it around and change all the codes again. All right, it's a bit like the what was it called? What was that? What was the Enigma game? What was the Enigma game with Cumberbatch? What was that film? What was that thing they used in the war? The Nazis had a decoder. Every time you think you've worked it out, we changed the codes. Anyway, so there it was. I made it quite clear what was happening. And we bought with conviction, and we did what we said, and we said what we did, and we always win together. The trolls, the regular audience hasn't got a clue. It's all over the bloody shop. That's why we do it off air. That's why we do it. Not the whirling dervish. Not the what the hell's that? No, the Enigma machine. That was it. It was the Enigma machine. Yeah. Not the whirling dervish. That's Egypt when they spin around with their skirts. I've seen that. I've been to Cairo several times. I got a little flat there. And when I go to Cairo, they stand there in the restaurants. They spin around with their dresses swirling out. Anyway, so there we go. Virgin Galactic. Great. All right. So certain bank asked a question and I said, listen out for this. I gave you a little tap. 2 taps, listen out for this one. And I knew they were going to ask the question. And they asked the question and straight down because Michael Cole-Glazier went, we don't need to refinance now, but very obviously we might need to in a minute. That was the signal to bring the price down. It went up when he started talking, and then as he finished the sentence, it went woof. And I went, wait for tomorrow. Wait for clarification. Let's see if they're trying to hold the price down. Yes, they were. A lot of insiders been buying this morning. My 7 guys in my team have been buying this morning. That was that massive green candle, by the way. No question about it. On the inflation numbers. So we're back in space. We're back in Virgin Galactic. We're going to make some money on Virgin Galactic, and I'll share my trade positions with you on Discord later, not here on the show today. So there's Virgin Galactic. Shall we carry on? Let's carry on. Then we have SpaceX. Now then, it's going down today. Oh dear, everyone's telling me, oh Martyn, you're going to lose all your money. You're nearly at $1 million. Why give it all away? You're right. I am nearly at $1 million. Let's have a look at it this morning. It's down a bit. It's down a bit now. We were nearly at $1 million yesterday. Remember, we started with $5,000 and we're now at $896,000. Look at this, folks. So when you say we're down today and everyone's going, oh my God, this is terrible, is it? Or is it banks repositioning? 3 taps this time. Institutions have been repositioning throughout the night. And I've been telling you, I told you one day before Bank of Switzerland, I said I'm taking a trip to Switzerland. Did I not say that live on the show? Yep, I did. And basically what we've got here is institutions repositioning ahead of August 20th. My prediction is by August 20th, I will be a millionaire. And remember, I started with $5,000 and I don't do options and I don't guess and I don't gamble and I'm out of crypto and I just do it by going all in with conviction. I don't buy gold. I don't do stop losses. Now, institutions have to. They get in trouble if they didn't, right? I don't do stop losses because I want it to go down because I don't buy a ticker price. I buy the value of a business. That's what I do. So I couldn't care less what you're paying for it today. I care what the balance sheet says. So we're nearly at $1 million and we could be there today because a lot of institutions are pivoting today and they are positioning today and they've been doing it throughout the night, getting ready for the unlock because everyone on YouTube says that is the end. It's all going to zero. Well, the bank's no different. I know different. Elon knows different. We all know different, other than those trying to sell videos and trying to get some money out of some silly idiots that think that's the way to go. We know better. So anyway, let's go back to SpaceX and look at it. So SpaceX is going down. It's still 142, way above its IPO price now. And all of a sudden today, we could bounce 20%. And if we do, I'm at $1 million. I don't think it's going to happen. I'm 100% certain it's going to happen because I'm up late at night talking to the people that move the market and I have got all my money in it. And because of that, I also, alongside that, I also had a nice little nibble on Virgin Galactic this morning. All right?
At Nick
We all
Hutchinson,
did.
7,545 has become a member.
A new member. You get all the members-only videos, members-only live streams, members CEO interviews. Is everybody loving Virgin Galactic this morning? Pay attention. The information is always there. Gold going down. Who the hell would buy this stuff? Amazon up today. Apple up today. Enphase Energy, my top pick to go to $100. Coca-Cola up today. Our target was 90. Defensive going up today. We're not buying it here. We want to buy it at, you know my mind. It's on Discord. It's on YouTube Electrum. We're not telling you live on the show. We're not selling videos. We don't have sponsors to keep happy. We have our Electrum members and our Discordians to keep happy. We have our investors to keep happy. We are not here to sell videos. I'm not a YouTuber. Are you out of SpaceX? Where did that come from? What?
Pro26512 tipped $2 through Super Chat. Are you out of SpaceX and in Virgin Galactic now?
What? No, I've got more SpaceX than ever. How could you possibly come to that conclusion? All of my trades are shared exclusively on YouTube Electrum and Discord, 24 hours a day as they happen all the time. Can everybody answer in the chat? Yes or no, is Martyn all in with SpaceX? Has Martyn sold any shares of SpaceX in the last couple of weeks since the margin position? Am I all in on SpaceX? Just make it clear. Of course I'm all in. Does everybody know I'm all in?
I can't believe
Does
this.
everybody know I'm all in? All right? You can't miss this stuff. Chevron oil going down. Tesla going up. It's going to $80. Who the hell buys Tesla at the moment? It's silly stuff. We got members all over the place. You just joined. Crow. I'm sorry, Crow. I didn't realize. I thought you were a member for a while. Right, I just joined.
I can't believe this.
He's going, hang on a minute, mate. I've just joined. I don't know what's going on. I'm new to all this stuff. Sorry, Crow. Hey, Crow, where are you from, Crow? Where are you from? Everyone's going in, yes, no. They don't know what to say. Sorry, I did a bit of a confusing one there. I just wanted to create some chaos just to confuse everybody. We love playing with the trolls. It's just...
I can't believe
It's a little game
this.
I play. It's called Whack-A-Troll. So anyway, we got new members coming in. We got people gifting memberships. Everybody, all our members who are making money want everyone to win. It's the biggest gift. People are given the gift of knowledge, and even bigger than that, the gift of community. Our members are donating memberships all over the place. For God's sake, take advantage of it.
I can't believe this.
Yes, another one. Go on to... Let me show you what to do. Right? Because you can take a horse to water, but you can't make it drink. We are the most generous gifting community in the world because we make money, and we don't apologize for that. That's what this channel does. Yes, we have ads. Yes, well,
I can't believe
we turn
this.
sponsorship down. I can make 50 grand a day. Maybe I should do that. No, I'm not going to do that. But our members make money all the time on this channel, so we're always gifting memberships. And let me show you what you need to do. If you win a membership from somebody, it's not from me. I don't give you money away. I never give money away. I give it to charity, but I'm not going to give it to you in the chat. What I do is I go live up to 15 hours a day answering everyone's questions. That's what I do. And I invest and show you how I've been investing with Barclays Bank since I was 17. So what, 40 odd years. That's what I do. Now, if you win a gifted membership from Tony Young, he's buying you a membership. I'm not.
I can't
I'm
believe
too tight.
this.
I don't give anybody anything. I'm a tight ass. All right? It's all me. Just buy my T-shirts. That's what I'm all about. Selfish, right? So what I do is I do this, right? This is your membership. You go on the homepage of the channel. See the homepage.
I can't believe this.
Homepage. Yeah, I can believe it. Everyone's donating because everyone's getting rich. Right. Here is the homepage over here. And remember, the more you give, the more you get. That's how the world works. If you've not worked that out in life yet, you've been under a rock for 50 years. If you give, you get back 10 times as much. That's how the world works. If you're selfish, like I am, I give nothing,
this.
you get nothing back. All right? The more you give, the more you get back. Our members know that. Our investors know that. They're all entrepreneurs, they're business people. They know how this works. This is why they can always afford to gift, right? When you go on the homepage of the channel, go to the membership tab. Now, some of you won't do this. 80% of you won't do this. I'll make a prediction.
I can't believe this.
20% of you are smart enough to go, hang on a minute. I'm sick of watching silly YouTubers selling promotions and commercials. I don't mean the ads, I mean the sponsorship. This channel always win. Martyn's been beating the market for 4 years in a row. Verification tick from YouTube, best practices, never increase its prices, everything's the minimum price, no inflation.
I can't believe
I'm sick of losing. Everyone on this channel is winning. Let's get on board. 20% of you will do it, 80% won't, because you'll still think, I don't believe it, even though it's right in front of you. So go to the membership page, see your membership. I've got a bronze membership of myself. That's handy, isn't it? And what you do is you scroll to the right and you see the upgrade button.
I can't believe
this. I can believe it. You click on upgrade.
V4K4Q has become a member.
Oh, another new member. That's an upgrade, isn't it? Right. Go over to the membership, upgrade. And what you do is you've been given $3 today by our amazing entrepreneurs, our investors, our business people, our traders who make money every day, right? You've been given a bronze membership worth $3. This Way Def Gaming, another successful entrepreneur, another successful business person making money and sharing the love, right? Click on here, and what you want to do, you got some choices. I recommend not this one. This is too expensive for most people. This is a platinum investor.
I can't believe this.
You've got a couple of these, but these are super whales, right? Most people will never aspire to that. Forget that one. Sponsor. Most people don't want that either. If you are a viewer and you want to promote your business for $99, you get everything below it, and you get sponsorship for $65 more than gold. And you can promote your business where sponsors want to pay 50 grand. My viewers can pay $65. You can always cancel above the gold members. All right. Gold, if you want to talk to me directly, if you want a 1 hour call with me every month, if you value that, I'm giving you my time, which is worth $700 an hour for $15, basically. It's 15 more than Electrum. I gift it because I just like doing it. Like all the members gift their money, I gift my time, right? Okay. Then there's Electrum. That's what I recommend you get for most people, because we want to start by teaching people stuff, how to always win. Electrum is going to give is $9.99, and you've been given $3.
I can't believe this.
Another new member. So that's 30% off. Now you can do nothing. 80% will do nothing, and it'll expire, and you won't do anything, and you'll go back to sleep again. However, if you want to be a winner, like everybody on this channel is, upgrade to Electrum. It will come on the screen now, and you can ask me for stock reviews. You can ask me for chart reviews. You can book earnings. You can send me messages. You can comment to videos. I reply to all of your messages. You get free stock analysis when we play Spin the Wheel, and you get all of my trades 24 hours a day. At 3 in the morning, if I'm buying SpaceX, you'd have all known this morning, I and my team were spending millions of dollars buying Virgin Galactic. If you'd known that this morning, it would have paid your membership for the rest of your life. Right? But you didn't know that. My Discordians did. My YouTube Electrum members did. You can have that, and you're being given that 30% off, because all these Donda, another entrepreneur, another successful business person making money, wanting to give the gift of education.
I can't believe
But more than education, the gift of community. These people know that this is how you make money and how you win, by giving it away. I do it all the time. I give my time and I donate to charity. I don't give people in the chat money, because people message me every day. They send me emails every day. Would you give me money? Would you pay for this? No. If you come begging for money, you get nothing. If you want to help yourself, I will help you. But my members can't do that. They can't go live on the show. So what they do, they gift the gift of community and education. The rest, is up to you. All right? So that's how it works. Now I've explained that. Let's get back to the trading day.
I can't believe this.
Another one. Let me go to here. Right. Back to there. Get out of there. Right. Okay. Let's carry on. So we were going through the stocks this morning. Alan Pratt's just gone Electrum. You get all my trades now. It's on the post section. We've got Google. We've got Microsoft up.
I can't believe
We've got
this.
Meta up. It's going to $800. Nvidia on the back of SpaceX, 226. Walmart, when it gets to 100, I'll buy it. Tilray Brands, no value, joke stock. Robinhood, way too expensive on the back of crypto. I would not be buying that if it was I like Robinhood, but bloody hell, that is insane.
I can't believe this.
Vertical Aerospace, great earnings today. Very good discipline on their company. We like Vertical Aerospace, great discipline on their company. They do it differently than other companies. That's why they are winners. Absolutely. We like Vertical Aerospace. Joby Aviation's gone up. The whole sector will go up on the back of this. I wouldn't be surprised if Archer's up. There it is. But that is ridiculous. It's only worth $1.50. I would not be buying Archer Aviation. I think there's a lot of nonsense around this. Too many fan clubs, too many bros sitting in Reddit rooms talking nonsense in their T-shirts with their headphones on. This is rubbish. This is $1.50 at best. Yes, it's pumped. But the first opportunity anyone can get to dump it, they will. It's going to happen. Don't let it be you. Taiwan Semiconductor is up today. Great. Bitcoin is up nothing. I mean, no. Michael Saylor is dumping millions of now dollars worth of Bitcoin.
Has become a member.
The hole is there. And it's going to get bigger and bigger and bigger because as he starts to dump, it will increase. He has to sell more and more and more to fuel the Ponzi scheme, which is known as his what do they call it? Strike or whatever it's called. Stride, whatever it's called. They're paying dividends out by selling Bitcoin. It was always going to end badly, and it's got a long way to go before it stops getting worse. So if you're buying that, be careful. We told you, and we sold XRP at the bottom. Sorry, at the top. Bloody hell, the bottom. The top, we got out, we made money, and we said XRP is going to 80 cents. It could even go to 50 cents and it'll accelerate because more and more people think it's cheap. How is something cheap that doesn't produce anything? It's not. You're just saying it's cheap doesn't make it the truth. All right. And more and more people now are leveraging. And the moment the big players go drop, you'll get leveraged and it will capitulate and it will drop like a stone. So be careful if you think it's now cheap because it ain't cheap. It doesn't produce anything. Ethereum, slightly better, but the same story. I've made money from this, but I'm out on it at the moment. All right. So let's go back to our positions. Virgin Galactic today, myself and 7 of the biggest retail investors in the world bought. You would have known about it if you were on Electrum. You would have known about it if you were on Discord. We shared it.
1x has become a member.
Thank you very much indeed, mate. We shared it. We told you. And there it is. And that would have paid for your membership for your whole life, right? But we're just getting started. But I can't tell you the numbers that are coming for Virgin Galactic. So I'm going to give you a little heads up there. All right? Those that understand what I'm saying go, those that don't are confused, and you're supposed to be confused. You're not supposed to understand it. YouTubers who are watching who are non-members, trolls, you haven't got a clue. You walk into it every single time, all right? We play chess while you're barely playing the basic round of checkers, all right? We're 20 moves ahead of you. Every time I say something, you'll quote me on it, you'll make a post or a meme somewhere, and you walk straight into it. Best advice, don't do anything at all. There you go. But you can't help yourself. You'll keep doing it. Right. So Virgin Galactic, nice. We'll share our positions on Discord at the end of this in about half an hour. So let me come back to our portfolio. We're down today. We're down 13 grand. We could be down 100 grand today. That's okay. I know that sounds crazy to be down 100 grand in a day, but I'm not worried about that because I know what's coming for SpaceX. And I'll tell you the truth. I hope we are down 100 grand today. In fact, I hope we're down 200 grand today. because then I can actually buy some more of something that's about to go parabolic. But I can't yet, so I won't. We'll wait. Anyway, there we go. Let's now do some live Q&A. We're going to go over to Discord in a minute for our big event this morning. Let me switch to members only because everyone's a member anyway. It just keeps focus on members' questions. So let me go stream settings. Let me go here to members only. And we've got a big announcement to make as well. A very, very big announcement to make. And this is massive. This is massive. All right. Members only mode. Okay, here we go. We're members only mode now. Please repeat your questions and I will answer everyone as quickly as I can. No one gets left behind. Every member can comment after the show and get a response. Everyone does. No one is ever left behind, ever. And you can all get support 24/7 from me if you are an Electrum or Discordian. Right. And I mean 24/7. My audience will tell you that. Right. So, going to record. How can I do this? How can I do this? Where did I share this? Right. This is important. Let me go over here. Where is it? So much going on at once. It's hard to keep up with myself. So I know you're all struggling to keep up with it. I can't keep up with myself. Anyway. Okay, here we go. I'm going to record this. Right.
I can't believe this.
Oh, another new member. My God.
Kev has become a member.
Awesome. Let me just mute that for a moment, folks, because I'm just going to make a video. All right. Let's do this. We'll show the year to date. 52%, folks, in a year. Does it get better than that? No, it doesn't. There's the truth. It doesn't. Right. Okay. Oh, hello. 1,000 joules. Hello. You've trying to find the magic jewels that unlock certain things. All right. Very good. Okay. Major announcement on our channel this morning. Something I'm more proud of than any other thing that we have achieved in the 5-year journey on YouTube. Yesterday, we passed another milestone on Instagram. That was wonderful. We got to 10,000. Within hours, 11,000. Today, 12,000. By the end of the day, 13,000. We're going viral on Instagram. Is it that? Is it the 100,000 we got on YouTube? Is it the 1 million we'll have by next year? Is it the fact we'll be the first 1 billion channel? Is it the fact we have 98% of our live viewers members? No, it's none of those things. It's this. The thing that I am most proud of anything else on our channel and ever will be. Remember the statement I've always made on this channel? I am not a YouTuber. And trolls and buffoons laugh at that and go, of course you are. You're on YouTube. So is Michael Jackson, Elvis Presley, Frank Sinatra, Elton John, Paul McCartney. Are they all YouTubers? Of course not. They simply broadcast on YouTube. Our derivative and the way we work and our directive is completely different than the way YouTubers work. There's no clickbait. There's no sponsorship. We turn it down, in fact. We simply share our journey with you. And as you can see, 4 years in a row, I've beaten the market. This year, I'm up 52%. And I'm down thousands today on SpaceX. Am I bothered? No. So what is it I'm most proud of? Well, as the World Piano Man, I've met millions of people in every country of the world over 40 years of touring the world as the World Piano Man. I've toured with the greatest performers and stars and biggest orchestras in the world, in Vegas, in London, all around the world. I've hired the best theatres in the world. So I know what it is to meet real people, not subscribers, faceless people real families. Every single person here represents a husband or a wife, children, grandparents. And I get messages every day from you saying, thank you, you've helped our family. And I say, no, you did it yourself. And they say, no, it was because of you. We're making money. We've stopped losing money. We're always winning. We're always making money. And I go, well, that's true. But it's because of you. You can give people information. It's what they do with it. So what am I most proud of? It's our community behind all of this. Because there's one place that doesn't have an algorithm. It doesn't get pumped out anywhere. It's not fake or pretend, and you can't promote it anywhere. You can tell people you're there, but the algorithm doesn't push it out. And people can't even watch for free. They have to pay. And the reason why they pay is not because I want to make money. I make money from doing it. I'm entitled to make money, of course, from all my businesses, and I do. And when I make money, I can give more back because we can hire more people and provide better services. So I make no apologies for making money. However, if you open it up for free, it gets full of idiots, it's useless, bots, scammers, trolls, noise, and it's useless. So what we have is a premium, private, behind closed doors Discord server. Now look at this. Every one of you is represented here today. These are our members. And we have just passed 1,000. In fact, we have 1,002, and I predict within a couple of months, we'll be 2,000. We are growing exponentially. Why is this so important to me? Because this isn't an algorithm. This cannot be pushed through other services. This is people choosing to join Discord, paying to join Discord, and being part of a family. This only works if the people inside it 24 hours a day support each other. If they spiral around telling everybody how to get rich, how to make money, buy Bitcoin, full of ads, full of commercials, we open it up to the public, full of trolls, full of bots, it dies. It becomes a money pit for you and a money maker for the owner. They just make money out of it. We don't do that. It's private. It's secure. We have to work tirelessly to bring in people every day. We go through an interview process. We don't just let you all in. And we've just passed this morning 1,002 actually Discord members, paid members. Now, what makes this special is there's never going to be a price increase ever. Now, we want to take on more staff. At the moment, we have a team of 2 paid members of staff working for me on Discord. This will need to accelerate to maybe 20 in the coming months. That needs to be paid for. We're not going to pay for it, though, by getting you to pay for it. We're going to pay for it by providing the best service in the world. You will join, you will stay joined, and you'll tell your friends, and it will grow. And that success, by being the best, is what will pay for its growth. Not me taking advantage of the 1,000 people that are already there. Every other business would do that. Every other business would increase it by inflation. It's why we have best practices on YouTube. 5 years in a row, no price increase, no inflation. Inflation doesn't even exist in our world. Nothing goes up in price. It, in fact, gets cheaper year by year. No one on earth, no business on earth does that. And that's why we do it, because it's the hardest thing. Because we win by getting it done. We don't make friends. I'm not there to make friends by telling you nonsense. In fact, last night, live on my Discord show, people were upset with me because I wouldn't buy Virgin Galactic with them on the call. They wanted me to buy because they know my team, when it buys, will send Virgin Galactic through the roof. And this morning we did, when it was right. And it's up. And now everyone's happy again. So this is what I mean. If you make friends that way, they're your friend, then they're not. Then they're not, then they are. We don't do that. And last night, I gave a hard lesson to my Discordians. And they didn't like it. the ones that were upset with me. Most got it. Most are there now for a while. They're educated. But some new people still don't get it. But we want to teach you. We want to earn your respect, earn the community, not sell you the community and just make up stories and nonsense. And that's why we now have a new announcement to make on Discord. It's about to get even better. So on Discord, our community, real people, real families, supporting each other. And if anyone decides not to support everyone, they're out. It's a community that must be committed to supporting every member, even if you disagree, courteously, politely, respectfully, but not being afraid to offend. We're not politically correct. If you're an idiot, you're an idiot. In fact, our members even buy t-shirts saying they're bloody idiots, because we're all stupid. Most people are stupid. We're always making mistakes. We're not politically correct, but we will be straight with you. But we will be respectful. But we will not be, overduly polite just to pretend to be your friend. That's not what we do. So we've just rolled out a new service on our Discord, which makes it even better. And we will be, like on YouTube, like on Instagram, like everywhere else, like on the newsletter, like with Vaz, the best Discord server in the world. My mate Jeremy Clarkson, that's where I get that from. So what have we just rolled out? Well, as of a couple of days ago, we were testing it. It's now fully rolled out. Everybody inside our server can go onto a channel called Referrals, and you can become a referral partner with us. You'll be given a code, a number, and when you get that number, all right, that's your exclusive number, you can invite family and friends to join Discord if you think it's a good service and if you think it can be helpful to others. You can share out that link and that referral. That is your referral, your exclusive link. And for every single person that joins through your referral, once you've applied to be a referral partner, you will earn 10,000 Luca coins. We will give you our very own currency. Now you might say, what's the good of that? Well, every single time you earn 10,000 coins, it adds up. You can do as many as you like. There's no limit whatsoever. That will go into growing our Discord. The money we earn will go into hiring more people. So you're giving other people jobs. You're creating an actual economy, a business for others. The profits that I earn go into employing more people. Pretty cool, right? So you're building a very own ecosystem that you could be part of. Now, when your coins add up, we will show you in a shop what you can spend them on. You can buy free merchandise, t-shirts, hats, services, one-on-one support. Literally, you can book a one-on-one call inside Discord on a calendar on demand at a time that suits you. You can see a date and go, I can book Martyn 1 hour before the earnings call tomorrow on a private video call just for me. And you can demand it and you can book it and you can get it. And these are the things that you can get for free or discounts of merchandise, t-shirts, hats, all kinds of things you can get. How brilliant is that? And it gets better. Because as we grow, maybe you want to work on the team. Maybe you'd like a job. Maybe you'd like to earn some money as well as being in on the inner circle, knowing what's going on. Well, you can now join the ambassador program. Well, you'll be trained by our team how to be an effective Lucozade ambassador. And if you go through the program and you are a pro member and you've been doing it for a while, you can then become an ambassador. Then when you're an ambassador, you can become a moderator. And when you're a moderator, you could become an employee. And when you become an employee, you can even become a partner. So this gives everyone the opportunity to work their way out of any situation they're in. This whole community was built and designed to help people be successful in life, to make money, to never spend more money, no inflation, best investment you'll ever make in your life, to be part of the growth, to own part of the business, to get things for free, to be rewarded for being just a good person. This community is the best community in the world. We are already in 76 countries, in many languages. People who want to be part of something, who feel they have a future in it. They have a stake in it. They own it. They can contribute to it. They can help others, and they can help themselves. That's why our Discord community with 1,000 pro members is already the best community in the world, and it will continue to grow. Be part of it. Don't be part of it. The choice is yours. I'm not really ending the stream. I'm just going to end this as a video. I hope you've enjoyed this. It's been fun, and I'll be over on Discord in a minute for our stage event this morning. How about that? I told you this would be the best announcement ever, and it is. For me, this was the biggest achievement of all time. Bigger than 100,000, bigger than making $1 million. Building a global family where everyone owns it, everyone can benefit from it, and everyone can work for it, and everyone can feel useful, valued, and become successful. Is that not the best news ever? Click above my head for all the links. You'll find Discord down here, and you'll find links over here and over here. Don't go anywhere. I'm not really ending it. I'm just ending it for those watching this right now. How about it? Until next time, take care of yourselves and each other. Okay, right. How about that, folks? Does it get better than that? Okay. Let's go over to Discord now. I've got to set up a show. Let's answer everyone's questions, and let's get ready to rock and roll. How do I get out of here? There we go. Right. If you have, if you want to join Discord, there is Discord. I might get chance to onboard you before our next stage event. That's in a minute. It's also pinned to the top. Let me read some comments quickly. Please, can I know the Coca-Cola target? Not here on YouTube. It's on YouTube Electrum and on Discord. Please don't share it, Stress TV. We don't share our trades. That is for YouTube, Electrum and Discord privately. SpaceX going down, give me more bytes. Bloody right. Are you waiting on... oh my God, stop sharing the trades, folks. Which don't share our trades. Martyn isn't over. Martyn, is it over for XRP? Well, it doesn't look good, does it? There's just no money. ETFs are shutting down left, right and centre now. Are we live? Are we live? I don't know why you always ask that. Can you accept my application to Discord, please, Martyn? Let me know if you need more details. My application username starts with a D. Well, I got hundreds of Ds. I will do all applications now. So I will, if you answer the questions correctly, I give you the opportunity to correct them because I will speak to you live. Don't worry about that. It's not over for XRP. Well, it's not looking good. Martyn will get the notification details for YouTube members about SPCE. Martyn, will we get notification details YouTube members about SP? Yes. If you are a YouTube Electrum member or a Discordian, you get everything. I have a big rocket. Bim bam boom. Okay. Alan Pratt, I sent you a wee private message on Discord. Is that allowed? Yes, that is. Are you able, because you are a pro member, that is allowed. You get one-on-one support with me. Just don't overdo messages, backwards and forwards. I can't do that. But the odd question is fine. Most of it, I will say, join me on a stage event. But Yeah, I can't do one-on-one. You can book one-on-one with gold membership, and you'll soon be able to do that on Discord. But the DMs isn't designed for one-on-one communication, because if I have 1,000 people all message me today going, can I have an answer to a question? I literally won't be able to do anything. We got people upgrading memberships left, right, and center. Do you see much of a drop for SpaceX at the moment? A bit. Not really bothered though. Hi, Martin. Can you check my Discord if I did it right, please? Jacko76. Let me have a look. I've got a username. I can't search when I don't have a username. Let's have a look. JACKOO. Jacko76. Why is it coming up with that? That's weird. JACKOO76. Oh, there we go. That's better. Pending. Let's have a little look. Are you a pending member? Oh, there we go. I see you. I see you. And oh, you've left me a voice message. I've not had a chance to play that yet. Let me play it. Let me play it for you. Let me play it for you. How can I play that off air so no one can hear it? Right. Okay. I don't normally have a voice message, but okay. What's it say?
So my answers are
Whoa,
first, no,
whoa,
second, yes,
mute that.
third.
Mute that.
Fourth, recording.
Okay.
Thank you.
I'll just muting that. Thank you. Yes. Jacko, correct. I'm now going to give you the opportunity now to buy your membership. Choose your membership. Okay, so here we go. At Jacko, there is your acceptance. There's an onboarding video to watch. There is your congrats, you are in. And I'll also make sure that you get this as well. Approve. There you go. Jacko, yes, you are in. You can now choose your membership. You can get in before we do our stage event this morning. I signed up for Discord and paid my $2.99, but all channels are still showing as locked. I answered the questions and got approved. Let me have a look for you. Let's have a look. If you paid, they're not locked. You've gone for Lucasade. Well, you can't see most of the channels because you've gone for Lucasade. You've gone for the lowest cost service. That still gives you plenty, but you won't see the pro trades. You won't see the pro trade investors, or you can't send me a friend request. It's all that was in your application, which of course you know. But let me search for you, James. I think I just saw you pop up. James. $68. I see. Right. Let's have a look. No, it hasn't processed yet. You haven't verified your email. It hasn't come through. I see your you haven't, you've got it, you've got into the server, but you haven't completed the transaction. You haven't verified everything. You haven't checked your email. You in, but you don't see anything because you haven't got a role yet. So if you need to go back to your application, your payment hasn't gone through, and that's why you can't see anything. If you're still having difficulties, click a help ticket. My team William Yestin Win will help you, guide you through the process. One-on-one support we'll give you. But yes, at the moment you don't have a role. And if you haven't purchased if it hasn't gone through yet, strongly recommend you go for Pro. It's $2 a month more, but you'll get a lot more. You get 1,000 to every. I mean, everyone's a pro member, but you have to give everyone the chance to buy the cheapest option. But just, I want to be fair with you that what the best service is by far the pro service. I signed up for Discord and I just checked it for you. I nibbled at Meta today. Congratulations. IonQ looking good. I will try to talk to Martyn in Discord before you're a member. Be careful of posers, imposters, I think you mean. They use his logo. That's right. But they're not in our server. They're on Discord, not in our server. Okay. And if you follow all the protocols, you are safe. If you watch our videos and do everything right, you are safe. Hey, Martyn, so in Discord, in which trend should I be looking at this information, like the move in SPCE that happened this morning? In which, so in Discord, in which thread? Oh, I see. Should I be looking to see information? If you've joined Discord, it's showed you all, the onboarding video has told you everything you need to know. I've created 2 videos for you explaining how Discord works. You need to watch that. It's done for that reason, to answer all these questions. However, we can answer questions live in Discord, just open a ticket. But if you want my trades, if you are a pro member, you'll get trades 24/7. So during the trading hours, they're in Martyn's trades. That's for all members. And then Martyn's pro trades for out of hours. And if you go into browse and you turn those channels on and you turn notification on for those channels, you'll be notified 24 hours a day immediately whenever I make a trade. Right, Martyn's pro trades. There it is. Yes, I shared it there this morning. I want to be 1003. This is amazing. Thank you, Kimberly. Or an alphabet agency like Zaxate. I don't know what that means. I'm not sure I understand what that means. Anyway, Martyn, do you think it's a good thing to get out of crypto? Well, I'm out of it. I sold it at the top, though. Now, is it at the bottom? I mean, I think it's going to go a lot lower. Remember, you can buy straight back with no 30-day wait. For crypto. There's no wash sale rule. It's 1008 this morning. No, is it? No, it's 1002. It's 1002. Yeah, it's 1002. That's actual paid members. You might see people on the server that aren't actually, they're in process, but that's might be what you're seeing. I'll need to be 1009 then. Looks like space turning that corner. All in, says Nossman. Here's Sean. How are you, Sean? Sean, are you trying to book a gold appointment with me? If I'm right, did I not come back to you? Could you send me another DM? Let me book that in with you. I think you were trying to book one with me. Have we booked that yet? I still haven't joined the Discord. If anyone would like to send an invite. Look at that. So, well, basically then, so the way it works, J-Cake, they get a link and they give you their number and yes, they will earn 10,000 coins, which they can trade for prizes. They can't share links in YouTube. That would be chaos. They can share links if you're in communication with them on social media, or if you're a friend or a family member and or whatever. Yeah, certainly. This is amazing. I want to buy stock in Martyn Lucas Investor IPO. That's something we've thought about. I was gold. How do I get Discord? Now I'm back as a member. How do you get Discord? Well, there's the link in the chat. It's pinned to the top. It's been there the entire time, and it's below every single video in the description and pinned to every show that we do. So what was the point of Electrum if everyone goes to Discord? The point of Electrum is completely different. Electrum gives you my trades, as does Discord, but Electrum gives you the stage events on YouTube. It gives you all my stock analysis reviews. You can't have one without it. We play Spin the Wheel. You can book a stock review. You get members-only videos, members-only live streams. I can reply to your members' comments. And you can also get, I'm trying to think what the top of it is now. YouTube is different from Discord. You're not just joining YouTube or Discord for my stock trades, are you? You're joining for hundreds of other things. So if you're not, most of my Electrum members are Discordians. Most people don't just join Discord for trades. They join for the community. And that's important. Don't join Discord just to go, I want to be told when to buy. You're not the right person for the server if that's what you want. People join Discord for the community and the education, the stage events. All right? Okay. Most are on both. Thank you, Martin. You're so welcome. Signature, cheesy smile at the end. Always. I don't mind being cheesy. A lot of people go, cheesy's like horrible and tacky and the 80s and being happy and smiling is cheesy. Yep, I'm happy to be cheesy. I don't try to be fashionable. I don't try to be on trend. I just tell you how it is. And I smile because I'm genuinely happy and that's what I do. And if that is labeled as cheesy and there's a bad thing, bring it on. I couldn't care less. So there you go. Is it normal for Discord queue to go over 2 days? No, it's not. I will do it all today. It's normally done straight away. It's because there's a lot of people joining at the moment, Marcus, and we're adding more members all the time. If you tell me what your username is, I will look right now for you. I've got hundreds of Ds. I don't get it. Yeah, I don't get it. Right. Hi, Martin. Can you check my Discord, please, if I did it right? Jacko76. Did I just do that? Did I just do that? JACKOO76. No, you still haven't purchased it. It's just sitting there. You haven't done anything with it yet. You haven't purchased a membership. And I'll double check this way as well. Find a conversation, find an application. There's your application. Yeah, I've said you're in, but you haven't chosen any memberships. All right. Joined Electrum. Do I just join Discord in the normal way? If anyone would like to send me a referral, so get the points, please do. Yeah, awesome. A Discord and YouTube are completely separate. Is there a trick for Discord app? I've applied as Care Bear. All right, let me have a look. Let me help you if I can. Let me try and help you. I'll search for you. If you give me a username, I can search for you and update you with how it's going. Let's have a look. Care Bear. Let me search for you and see how you're progressing through the service. All right, let's have a look. Is there a trick? Right, I don't see you yet. Let's see if you are in the new applications, which I can process you straight away if you want me to. Let's have a look. Pending. These are the ones I'm about to do now. Oh, Care Bear Sparkles. There you are. Care Bear Sparkles. Investing in SpaceX, which is my first go at retail investing. Yes, I can onboard you right now. How about that? There you go. That's what happens when we talk to each other. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to send you all the information. Here we go. So let's interview you now. So I'm tagging you. This is happening in real time. There is your tag. There is your questions. You have to answer them correctly. There is your video, which gives you the answers. You must watch it all because it educates you. It's there to protect you. There's no ads on it. Don't make any money out of you watching it. It's there to help you. So please do that. Right, there you go. I've processed your application. You now answer the questions. Once you've answered the questions correctly, we'll onboard you. Then you choose your membership and then you'll be in. Right, let's have a look at SpaceX. Yeah, bit of pullback on SpaceX. I'm not bothered. Bit of pullback on Virgin Galactic as well. Not bothered there either. Yes, that's why I'm shorting at the moment. Terry Rose, mute. Who's mute? Who's mute? You're saying mute. Who's mute? Mute. I don't know what you mean. I think it's time to change the questions. I didn't see the buy point for Coca-Cola on Electrum. Every single trade has been shared. Oh, the buy point, the price. I don't tell you what we're going to do.
This.
Right? I tell you when we do it.
Novak C2Q has become a member.
Okay, thank you, Ben. I don't write on Discord, on YouTube, I'm going to buy at a price, because that changes. That's irrelevant. I tell you when I am buying, then you know. And the stage events on YouTube and Discord every day, we discuss these things. But no, I don't just put a price out there, because that changes all the time. It's not the same. It would be pointless. And then you'd be getting bad information. You'd be thinking, oh, Martyn's going to buy at this, and then Martyn doesn't. All right, so there you go. Searching for truth, I've noticed the missing information too. Searching for truth, I've noticed the missing information too. No, Terry Rose, you've said this before, and I've told you last time you were incorrect. Remember you said, I don't see the trades? And then you went, oh yeah, I see it now. Let me explain it. On YouTube Electrum, I post every single trade as I do it. And let me show you where I do it. But I'm not going to put on YouTube that I'm going to be buying Coca-Cola at $50, because it's irrelevant. Tomorrow, next week, would be useless. So don't look at that. Let me show you. Let me go onto YouTube and show you the post. Right, so here we go. Here is YouTube homepage. Right there. And here is my posts. Post community, same thing. And when I do, there you go, SPCE order. And it says, if you hover over it, visible for Electrum and upwards, gold, sponsor, and platinum. There it is. Just go to the posts, and there it is. I told you I was buying, but I'm not supposed to be showing you right now, am I? Otherwise, everyone sees what they're not supposed to see. So there you go. I do post everything, all right? I don't miss anything. It's all membership. It's all membership for Discord the same. Is all membership for Discord the same? Well, no. There'd be no point having two services if they were the same. On Electrum, so not sure if there's a different Discord tier. New to Discord. That's okay. Let me explain it to you. So when you apply for Discord, it tells you all the perks. In the actual application, it tells you the perks. This is the application page. This is where the link brings you. And it tells you what you get for Lucasades. Tells you what you get for Lucasades Pro. You just have to read it. A lot of people don't like to read that, and then they go, oh, I wish I chose Pro. It's in the learn more. There it is. It tells you right there what you get. And then once you get onto Discord, even before you've bought, we interview you and we give you a video and we tell you what the services are. Again, a lot of people don't watch the video. Watch the video and it tells you what you get for the services. Then when you choose your service, we send you information in a text, which tells you again what you get. And then we give you an onboarding video, which a lot of people say they watch, but they don't. And then it tells you how to use Discord. So that's how it works. Essentially, if you want the least expensive Discord and you're worried about $2, I'm being brutally honest. If $2 is a concern for you, you shouldn't really be investing anyway, because our service is worth hundreds of dollars and we're giving it you for a couple of bucks. I'm trying to help as many people as possible. And some people just want to go, I want to get rich and I've only got $2. It's not how it works. If you got $2, you shouldn't be investing anyway. You should go out and get a job, right? So if you go for Discord standard, it's a couple of bucks, $2.99 on a browser. Don't pay commission to Apple. If you want the Pro service with 1,000 times more, it's $2 more. Everyone does that because it's the obvious choice. But some people just go, I want to just join for $2. That's fine. You can do that. Any newbies wanted to learn to win is Pro Discord. Thank you, RB. Discord is annoying, RB. Well, Terry Rose, not to 1,004 people, it's not. I mean, people, it just takes a while to learn it. You've got to, I mean, everyone says they've watched the video, and yet our analytics says 10% watch time. No one has watched all of it. 99% of you have not watched the video. So Terry Rose, have you watched the video? I bet you haven't. Because if you watch the video, we step by step tell you how to open channels, how to follow channels, and then it comes easy. Most people do not spend the time watching an 8-minute video. It's the absolute truth. I know I say it a lot, but it really is that easy. And we watch it every day. We can see the people who are not actually watching the videos. So I will give you both videos now. Look, here's video number 1. No, our analytics will say most people haven't watched more than a minute of it. And that's what it says. We know that a lot of people have watched it, but most people haven't. And then they say, I don't understand it. Here is the other video. This is the onboarding one. Now you know how everything works. All right. So there you go. If you watch those videos I've just given to you, you will understand it. Martyn, what's the price target for SpaceX? $240. $200 maybe next week. Certainly by the end of the year. I joined Discord to see if it was worth my time. Just upgraded to Pro. I am more than happy to be a member of this cult. Get great investor community. You will love Pro then. If you thought the Lucasade plan was good, you will absolutely love Pro. Pro is 1,000,000 times better. Good morning, Martyn. I have 35 grand ready to load into SpaceX and Virgin Galactic. How would you diversify this amount between these both stock? Now, I'd love to give you an answer, but of course, I don't know your situation. It depends on your situation. So I can't tell you. Now, you've got a couple of choices. You can call into a live show right now. Well, not now because I'm going to end. I'm late for Discord again. You can call into a live show as a member. You can be on a live show. Just request it during a live show. I'll give you a link. Call in. I need to know your situation. That's option 1. That's free. All members have that service for free during a live show. You can call in. So if you want to know something, if it's not worth your time calling in, then you shouldn't be investing. You can call in for free. Every member can call in on a live show on YouTube. If you want a private call, you can go gold on YouTube and you can book a 1 hour with me every month. Or you can go into Discord. And on our stage events, you can call in for free, just like you can on YouTube. So there are ways that we can help you, but I can't do it just willy-nilly, pick out a number out of the sky. I need to get to grips with it. FinK. Martyn, since you missed CoreWeave, yes, I did. Did you get my apology? And I've explained we're now building a calendar process in Discord where people can book things where we get notified. So there's no more missing earnings. So I apologize to you and you've got a credit and I'll make good on it. There's another one today from Record Systems, a small AI company, could be interesting to watch. Record Systems. Let me see if we can do today for you. Let me have a look before I say yes. What's the ticker symbol? I've really got to go because I'm behind Record Systems. Let me have a quick look. REKOR, Record Systems. Let's have a look. Right. When is it? Preview available today after hours. It is at 3:30. Yes, I can do that. Let me check my calendar because we've got a calendar now. Yes, I can do that. I can do that for you, FinK. That'll be this afternoon then, our closing bell show. Record Systems. Does that make up for it, mate? Record Systems earnings. I apologize for that. Does that make up for it? FinK. We've now got a calendar so these things won't happen again. Does that work for you? Right. Okay, I hope the answer application is clear. Vocal Vossa, good morning. I'll look at your application shortly. Good morning, might have 35 grand. Yeah, I answered that one. Alan Pratt, do you have anything rarer, especially MP materials, magnets? Do you know anything about rare earths? Yes, I do. We'll discuss it on Discord. I think you're in Discord, aren't you? Yes, IPO would be a great investment. Yes, it would. You don't get Okay. People trying to be rude. If Terry, are you trying to be rude? Because if we think people are being rude, we ban them, even if you're a member. If people are trying to like troll me and get me to say bad names on the channel, you could be a platinum member and we ban you. All right. So be careful if you're trying to get me to say things on the show. There's no tolerance for it. I don't care if you're the best member in the world, you'll be banned. We don't want people doing that. I meant cheesy, light-heartedly. Yeah, just in a way yes, I know. No, Bitcoin, I wasn't having a go at all. I'm just making the point. It's all good. I don't mind being called cheesy at all. I own it. People call me arrogant. I own that as well. I don't care. I do care, but I don't care. I don't care. I'm here to get it done. I'm not here to make friends. I'm here to earn friends, not to make friends that aren't real friends. I'm here to get it done. Right, let me search for you. Sorry guys, we're late on Discord today. Mark111, I don't see you there. Let me see here. I really need to go, folks. I'm doing a lot more than I should be doing now. You're not there. Are you in new applicants? Members. I've got more staff starting soon to help me do even more. My username is Mark111. Let's have a little look. Are you a new pending member? Oh, there we go. Mark111. Interview. Would you like me to do it now for you? I see you haven't been processed yet. I'll do it now. Mark111. I'll do you right now. There we go. So here we go. Mark111. There's your tag. You'll see it now. There's your questions. There is your video. Watch it. People say they do. They don't. Upload. Now please answer questions. There you go. Mark, answer questions. I will see it. Answer them properly. I will then be able to you'll be able then to choose your membership. Okay, so do it properly. Okay, we're going to get through all these questions and then we're going to go to Discord. Got it, Martin. Cheers. Welcome. SpaceX. Nice. Buying in hot, but buying more in a hot minute. New member, upgrade. I don't mind useless communication. I don't mind useless communication is the thing. If you're signing up for Discord, just select Pro. Save yourself time. There you go. Look at that. Pro is definitely the way to go. Thank you, guys. Thank you. Share your referrals, guys. You earn 10,000 coins a time, and you know the rest. You've heard it all. I love messing with Martin. Yeah, be careful though, Terry. If it gets like rude, you get banned. So I enjoy the fun as well, but if people are trying to get me to say rude things, I don't tolerate it. We're here for investors. I like a laugh and a joke. You know I do. I'll take the piss out of myself. I don't care. But just be careful not falling into the troll trap. I'm trying to get my code. You create a ticket in the referrals. William will take care of you. Guilty. There you go. Not watching the video. That's it. There you go. We know. We even know who's not watching it. People go, I watched it. And I go, really? Yeah, I watched it. Fair enough. I can see all the numbers. I had the $2 Discord. I went pro because you get more out of it. There you go. For sure. There you go. The issue with Electrum YouTube members will be their notification settings. I love I love A. Walton is trying to help people. YouTube, it's not that mine isn't posting his buys. It's a notification on your settings. Correct. We tell everybody this. Look at this. There's a right way. There's a right way to do it. There's a wrong way to do it. This is the right way of doing it. Watch. No one listens. Here we go. Click subscribe. You can go and check right now. Click the subscribe button. Make sure you have got this turned on. The bell set to all. Have you done that? Oh, I get too many YouTube notifications. That's the whole of YouTube. You are just turning on my notifications. And I can only send you 3 a day. I can't send you 1 million notifications because there's a short every 5 minutes. All right? So don't worry about that. You only get so many notifications. So it's all good. Don't worry about it. But that's it. A. Walton, you're damn right. Most people don't even do that. Martyn, I jumped into Virgin Galactic pre-belt and sold. Should I have kept it a little bit longer? Well, I bought it because I want to make a 4x. I didn't buy it to make 10 pence. I bought it to make a lot of money. And I'm going to make a lot of money. I always do. Martyn, you can't be late for Discord. We're all here. That's true. I'm still late for Discord. That's not a service we want. We want to be at 10 o'clock. I started YouTube with Martyn and Discord and now fully subscribed to the yearly subscription with Sensei. Great educational investment. The biggest thing, though, mate, is you're investing in yourself because the program that we've got, the referral program, the ambassador program, the ownership of the channel. Tim Rogers has just become an Electrum member on Discord. On YouTube. And let me tell you how a bigger statement that is. Because Tim Rogers is old school. He likes making money. He's got a lot of money. He's very successful. He's made a lot of money in his life. He's a great guy. Do you want to call in quick? Obviously, Discord has been delayed. Tim, do you want to call in, mate? I want to hear from you. I've not seen your nice face for a while. I like Tim. I've not seen that smiling face for ages. Tim Rogers, here is your link. Call in, Tim. There you go, Tim. Nobody else, just Tim. Tim Rogers, call in, mate. Correction. Brought pre-bell, then sold. Exactly. You got the notification. You saw her on Discord. You saw her on Electrum. You bought. You took some profit. Literally, Discord and Electrum paid for itself right there. For a lifetime, if you did a big trade, didn't it? It did, absolutely. Literally, we bought with the biggest investors in the world. Do I need to upgrade to Electrum for Discord? No. YouTube and Electrum are separate. You can have both, one or neither. They're separate. Try them out. You can always upgrade, downgrade. You have full control. You're not committed to anything. You can cancel tomorrow. I have no contracts. You can't cancel, upgrade, downgrade. Got your message on Discord. No worries. Call we've went up and that's all that counts. I don't know if Record System has a call, but thank you. I don't know if Record Systems has a call. I don't understand. Did you want me to cover the call? You said you want me to cover the call. Now you're going, I don't know if they have a call. I'm confused. Anyway, let's talk to my mate. I want to talk to my mate. Here he is. There he is. How are you, mate? Oh, hang on. You're muted. Let me, yeah, it's your end, mate. Yeah, it's your end. Oh,
it's my end. I was in my vehicle. How you doing, sir?
I'm doing great, mate. It's good to see your smiling face. It's always lovely to have you on the show. How are you? How's life been treating you?
Life is good. I was on the West Coast relaxing, having a great time, and now I'm back in Florida.
Oh, lovely. How's your family? How's your family and loved ones? All well?
Everyone is doing fantastic. Thanks for asking. I have to give you your praise here, sir. I see that you're approaching that $1.1 million.
I know. What can you say about it? Yeah, neither there.
No comments, But hey, the most important piece, you're paying down your margin, you're disciplined, you're having fun.
Hey, hang on a minute, Tim. Better than that, mate. Better than that. The margin's all gone. And I'm at 1 million.
Oh, Fantastic. That's even better.
I know.
That's even better.
All the margin's gone. Let me just show everybody on the screen so we can all be clear. All right, yeah. Buying power is all gone. Oh, in fact, I just used a tiny bit of margin this morning, $4,000. I wasn't in margin till this morning. I've just been buying a bit of Virgin Galactic, but more about that in a minute. So margin was off until this morning. I've just dropped $4,000, but I can pay it off this afternoon with some money I'm going to transfer in. So effectively, margin will be paid off this afternoon again, and that's where we stand right now. We dropped a little bit this morning because of SpaceX drop, but 895,000 with margin that doesn't exist. It'll be gone by this afternoon. So there we go. What do you think of that, mate?
Yeah, I think it's fantastic. Hey, I wanted to apologize to you because I thought I had upgraded everything, right? I'm like, well, I should be on the sites. I said, I know, and then I did not realize I had not upgraded, so I wanted to apologize to you.
Yeah, mate, top man like yourself, you got all the best of everything. I couldn't believe it when I thought, how come he's not already an Electrum member? He is now.
Well, you should have called me out. Everyone called you out, so you can call me out too. It's like, well, where's Tim? Why did he not upgrade?
Tim Rogers, it's rubbish, and you've been robbing off me now for months, because for months now I could have been up another $5 a month out of you. So yes, I'm calling you out now.
There you go. Hey, quick question for you. What did you think of the call yesterday on Virgin Galactic?
Two parts to that.
Overall.
Two parts. I bought this morning, so obviously there's something in it I like, right? We had a lot of drama. Oh, let me get rid of that. Sorry. Let me get rid of that.
No problem.
Yeah, you don't want that over your face. So I created a bit of chaos in Discord in the earnings last night, as I always do. Tried to get a bit of volatility going on. People going, Martyn's trashing it. Now he loves it. What's going on? That's what we do. There was some good and bad in the call. The bad was we said, don't buy into the pump. I think there'll be a delay. And there was a delay. And the price went down. We were able to get it at the better price. We were right on that. However, the balance sheet is improved. Their balance sheet, their numbers, their going concern, if you like, their business model just got better. And that's what I care about. Delays for the rocket blew up, not acceptable. Delays because they know what they need to do. And I made some calls during the night to the factory. I spoke to people. What the hell was the delay? No delay. They're just checking and making sure they don't get things wrong. Because when you're building rockets, it's very hard to say it'll be out next week, because it might be a couple more days. Stuff goes wrong. They didn't kick it down the can 10 years, just a few weeks. I'm okay with it. When I found out what the reason was, I'm okay with it. Number two, Virgin Galactic like holding the stock down for their compensation scheme. We know why they do it. They don't like bigging up the stock. They don't promote the way others do. They're not an Alex Karp, and they're not an Elon Musk. Rah, rah, rah. They're very much just like behind the scenes. They don't get the attention on social media. Very few people cover the stock anymore. So that's the way they do things. And now we know why, because the way they do the tickets. They want to be a very VIP. Not in everyone. They're not a McDonald's. They're a Rolls Royce, right? You don't see Rolls Royces advertised everywhere. You only see them at air shows, right? So I found out more. I found out that the dilution issue wasn't an issue because they said, no, we don't need to raise money for now. And the money started to go up when the stock went up, and then they went for now, and people went, right? That was Michael bringing the stock back down again. I don't think it's a problem. All right. So I had to have that clarification, and then I had to know about inflation. That was a good report. So right on that moment, with all the things added together, I'm on WhatsApp with 7 of the biggest retail guys in the world, and we all bought together, and that was that really big green candle you saw this morning. That literally was us. That was millions this morning, right? We like it. We're back in. Not completely. I'm nowhere near fully in. I just had a nice little nudge in because I've already made money. And when you make money, you can reduce the position each time because you've already made the profit, and you can make more for less. You know how that works. So I bought a bit, used a bit of margin this morning, only because I didn't sell SpaceX yet. I'll trim off later on today and just pay that off. Or I'll use my wages from YouTube in a couple of days' time and pay it off anyway. So it doesn't matter. So I like
well,
it.
you and
I like it.
Yeah, I mean, you and I have always spoken about it's always, from my perspective, it's about the execution part. However, once he delayed from fourth quarter of 2026 to February of 27, as long as I knew the delay was just best practices, that'll make it a lot better for
Yes.
third tip. And a lot of
Yes.
people called me like, well, Tim, you told me. I said, calm down. I said, it's building something new. They don't know what they don't know until you get to certain steps of processing.
Correct.
I said, for them to do this, that's a positive. I said, what's another month? We've been waiting for 3 years.
More
I
than
said,
that,
just be
like bloody 15
Yeah.
years from the beginning, whatever it's been. Inception.
Well, for me,
Yeah.
it's been 3 to 4 years.
Yeah.
Okay. So I think right now the worst is really behind Virgin Galactic. I was concerned about the cash burn. They satisfied that portion.
Yeah.
If we do not have any other delays, truly, this is going to be a fantastic story about Virgin Galactic. It really is.
Yeah. No, I totally get it. And we were waiting for the signals. Like we were trying to teach on the show last night. We don't guess. We don't gamble. There's many ways to make money. And the way to make money, I mean, this year, Tim, I'm up 56% year to date.
Yeah.
Nuts, right? We've done that now for 3 and 4 years in a row. Been in the market 3 and 4 years in a row. You're not going to win by losing. You've got to take the losses off the table and win consistently. And that's what we're doing, right? So we can't, people were getting all like excited last night. They're buying into the pump and all the rest of it. I said, we got to wait. We need to know the answer to several questions. And I said to them many, many times, I would rather buy at 5, knowing it's going to 10,
Exactly.
than buy at 3 and it could go bankrupt. That's not an investment. That's guessing. We don't guess. Like you spoke about it. You can put your money in Philip Morris and you make your money every year. And I feel like you now, a little bit more like you. I'm about to hit $1 million. I spoke to Leah yesterday. I said, Leah, I'm at $1 million any minute now. I expect by the 20th of August, actually, I think there's going to be a squeeze on SpaceX because I know which institutes are going to buy. I said, $1 million. Sell it all. Put it all in short-term treasury bills. I earn 50 grand a year, well, 45 grand a year to do absolutely nothing. Continue on YouTube, earn money on YouTube. I'm a millionaire doing nothing, no risk. She said, that's a rubbish show. No one will watch on YouTube, would they?
So, would you like to apologize to me and the members
here we go.
giving me such a hard time about diversification? And you shouldn't put everything in there. But Mr. Rogers, you shouldn't do that. Now you have $1 million. And I said, he wants to sit back now. He wants to be conservative now. I said, I have to speak to my baby brother on this one.
Well, listen, you apologise for ripping me off for 6 months, not being an Electrum member. And you've made up for it on the call, so we're all good. So I will say, you're right. Everything changes. This is an ongoing path and you will look at it differently. And when you're 20 and 30, you can risk and do so. And you've got to grow a portfolio. You can't make $1 million in treasury bills for your life. You're not going to do it. No. But yeah, you're right. Why did you invest? To give yourself the money you need when you need it. If you've got $1 million, is 50 grand a year enough? If that's enough for you, do nothing. Just stick it in treasury bills. But I like the chase. So I'm going to be still in the market, still providing entertainment and doing what I'm doing. But yeah, the mindset changes. Of course it does.
You know, one of the things, too, that I respect about you is that I've seen your journey from the 5,000 to where you are. But your mindset of investing has changed as well. And that was something maybe 3 years ago when you were starting out on the live conversations that you and I would have. Sometimes there was that disconnect. Now you're starting to see the bigger picture because once you do hit that financial goal, you don't really want to lose all the money that you worked very hard for.
Pointless.
And your mindset will change drastically. You know what I'm saying? Because even though you're more of a trader than I am, I'm in 15 different companies, things of that nature, but that's just part of my portfolio. The other is like where you are. it's no risk, blah, blah, blah. But what you're doing is working. But a lot of it is discipline, because when you're all in with one or two companies. I can't be all in with 15 to 20 companies. You know where I'm coming from? Because you're not going to make any money.
No.
You're just not.
No.
You're going to lose. So
Yeah.
I've been there, done. So I'm not going to I can't teach stupid. You know what I'm saying? And I'm hard on myself. But I'm proud of you, and I just wanted to say congratulations. But I really did think that I had upgraded to everything, because even since I go, he says, well, Tim, I think you're already there. But I didn't realize.
When you turn your millions into billions, you could become a platinum investor. We've got 2 of those. That's $500 a month. Not quite yet.
Yep.
Not quite there yet, Tim. Yet.
Not quite yet. Not yet. But we're working on it.
I love it. Hey, Tim, it's always fun to talk to you. You provide such great, valuable insight to people. You be safe. Enjoy whatever it is you're doing in life. And thank you for calling in. Appreciate it.
Okay. Talk to you soon, guys.
Cheers.
Bye-bye.
Absolutely. Bloody marvellous. There we go. Our brand new Electrum member. Good stuff. Right. That's what you can do as a member on YouTube. You can call in just like that. That's what I say to you. Right. Finn K, he's helped me out. Just saw the numbers, so you don't have to cover the earnings call. I could take a song credit for Friday's show instead. Yes, you got it. That is possible. You will get the first song on the show for free. I'm not doing recall. I'm so glad. I didn't want to work tonight. I really didn't. So I'm really, you've made my day. I'm thinking, oh shit, I messed up. Now I've got to do an earnings I don't want to do. So I'm really chuffed with that. Right, I've renewed and gone Electrum and signed up for Discord. I'm loving it. Yay, Terry, Martyn, you have been right. Yes, I've been right over and over again. I've given my magic answers back. Care Bear Sparkles. Okay. My God, how much later are we going to be for Discord? This is a joke. This is an absolute joke. People on Discord are going, I'm not having it. I'm still here, aren't I? Same question, same show. Right, okay. But it's not what I want. I do apologise. This has got to stop. I can't be doing this. So Care Bear Sparkles. Let's have a look. So what are your answers? Number 1. Correct. Number 2. Correct. Number 3. Number 4. Correct. Correct. Hooray. Hooray. Now you got to choose your membership. Now you got to spend some money. All right? It's all been free up to now. So now I've got you see. So now you're thinking, oh, this is good, isn't it? All for free. Now Martyn's going to make some money. Yep. I'm going to take you for every penny you got now. You ready? Get ready. You can sign your life away now. This is the last moment of escape. From this moment on, you'll be in for the rest of your life. I probably should clarify, because there are some people who will go, really? No, you can cancel whenever you want. It's your money. It's your credit card. I don't see it. I don't have your details. It's with Discord. Cancel next month if you think it's rubbish. No one ever does, though. But you can be the first. Right. There is your application. There is congratulations, you are in. There is your, what am I giving you now? Care Bear. We got a Care Bear. Care Bear Sparkles. Are you a lady? I'm guessing you're a lady. You never know, though. Might be a guy called Care Bear Sparkles. I don't know. Might be a fruity bloke. Might be a fruity bloke who likes being called Care Bear. I don't know. Let's approve. we got lots of fruity blokes who watch this show. I'm fully aware of my fruity bloke following. I feel like Elton John sometimes. Got lots of fruity blokes who follow my show. So anyway, it's okay. But I prefer the ladies. I'm just saying. So, you're on to a losing thing there. Anyway, did he go there? Yeah, he did. Bloody hell. Right, you're all in. I've applied to join Discord. Probably did something wrong. Technically, should be working. Jack the Cake. Let's have a look. Oh, where's my thing? Oh, where's my thing gone?
At Diesel_Ada tipped $4.99 through Super Chat. Martyn. Driving my kids to first day at school told me to turn the volume up on the show because they like when you say bloody hell.
Hey, what's the kids' names? Diesel Raider, what's your kids' names? Bloody hell, what's going on? Let me talk to him. What's the name of your children? The Cake. I've applied to join Discord. Probably did something wrong. Technically should be working. Open a ticket inside Discord will help you. Don't you worry. One-on-one service. Great to call in, Mr. Rogers. We loved it. Bloody hell's right. Wives get banned. Wives get banned by order of the Pinky Blinders. Bloody hell. True and honest. Thanks. Enjoyed speaking. Top man, Tim. We all like Tim, don't we? It's Tuesdays with Tim. Thursdays with Tim. It's Tim on Thursday. It's a new thing. I just made it up. Every Thursday, Tim on Thursdays. Discord knows you had a very good call with Tim. That's good. Am I okay then? Am I okay? Everyone buy space and let's get it done. Let's get it green. What is human being Liz? Where is Liz? Yes. Laugh me arse off. Fruity bloke. Yeah, I've got lots of fruity blokes. Yeah, I've noticed it. I get a lot of messages. I feel like Elton John or what was it? What was she called? Judy Garland. Yeah, I've got lots of ladies as well though, which is good. Balances it out. But I've got lots of fruity fellas who like the show. In fact, I get messages from the fruity fellas who say, "We like you when you put your hat on." There you go. So for all the fruity fellas in the show that follow me for my hat and my personal selfness, whatever that is, you're very welcome. I still prefer my wife. Anyway, she's a lady. She's not a fruity fella. I call her wife. She's actually a lady who's a wife. Just saying. Martyn, driving my kids. Oh, I answered that one. Fruity fellas. Yeah, I've got loads of them. I have a fruity following. Same when I was the piano man. I seem to have a lot of fruity fellas that like my show. There's always asking me to sing Over the Rainbow. Ha ha, I'm not touching that fruity with a 10-foot, that fruity. Care Bear, are you a fruity bloke? Applied for Discord as Drenner, my gaming tag, Drenor. Let me go and have a look. Oh my God, what have I started now? Oh God. I shouldn't have done it. I knew I shouldn't have started that. The cat's out the bag now. You can't put it back. No, you can't, Martyn. We clipped it. You can't put it back. The day you talked to your audience and called them fruity fellas. How many... Maybe I should have a channel. That's what we should do. We should have a channel inside Discord. It's called Fruity Fellas. And you can join... Who wants a channel in Discord called Fruity Fellas? We need to have one for the ladies as well. The spicy ladies, the fruity fellas and the lovely ladies. The lovely ladies and the fruity fellas, right? Maybe we should have a channel for each. Maybe we should have a channel for everybody. All right? Everyone gets a channel. All right? So anyway, what was your... Oh, James has gone pro, by the way. That's just gone through. What name was it I was looking for? Drenner. We love everyone here. We love everybody. Right, Drenor. Dren. I don't see you on the server. Let's see if you've applied. Have you applied? Drenor. I probably should refresh the screen just in case. You just said you did it. Care Bear Sparkles is pro. She went pro. Care Bear. We want to know: is she a lovely lady, or is she what did I say it was? A fruity fella. What the hell have I done? I can't put that back in the bag. Drenner. Been a YouTube member for about 10 months and would love to learn about the better connected with the community. Right. Let me fast track you. Oh my God, what have I started? Fruity fellas. I bet my Discord art, my fan art is going to blow up today. Blow up the fan art. Fruity fellas, right? I can't wait. It's going to be great. It's going to be great. Right. Let me give you this. Oh, Leah's going to tell me off. Can't do stuff like that? Yeah, you can. Do what I like. I follow the book of Ricky Gervais. I do whatever I want. So here we go. Here is Drenor. There is We should definitely have a channel on YouTube, couldn't we? Don't you think? A channel on YouTube for the fruity fellas. But the ladies have to have one as well, right? And you have to be a certain persuasion to join those groups. It's special. It's like a little private club, right? I love it. I used to do a lot of clubs. I used to play in the Rainbow Club a lot. Back in Cornwall, back in the 90s. I got hired all the time to do like my Take That routine, like a dance routine. And I said, you do realise I like, you know, I like the ladies. And they go, yeah, but the guys love it. I went, do they? They said, yeah, they love it. Every Saturday, Rainbow Club it was, on Perranporth Beach in Cornwall. Shut down now. I think the word got out. Said Martyn likes the ladies, but they loved the show. And it was great. You have to be quite brave to do that, though. Standing on the stage, dancing, and all these guys loving it. It was, it was an interesting experience. Drenna, so I've given you your application. What am I doing now? I'm giving you your video and your welcome note. There you go. Upload. Now, please answer the questions. Right. That's that. Yeah, Drenna. Took care of you, mate. Right. Care Bear. I don't eat fruit, mainly meat. Not sure what to make of that. I dropped them off already, Martyn. Next time. Never heard of a fruity bloke. Never heard of it. It's not an actual thing. He goes, I've never heard of it. I've never heard of it. Waken up, Neo. Wake up, Neo. I've never heard of a fruity bloke. What's that? Carmen Miranda. There we go. Oh, that's it. Carmen Miranda. Oh my God. What's happened? Peaky Blinder hat. Fruity fellas. Start selling cats, Martyn. I'll add it to my collection. You want to buy a hat? I'll sort that out. Martyn, gonna get cancelled. Gonna get cancelled. Yeah, cancelled. Can I be the leader? Care Bear Sparkles, you can. You can be the first person to join our Fruity Fellas channel on Discord, and you can be the leader of the Fruity Fellas. Absolutely. Meetups, get-togethers, all sorts of stuff. I love it. Absolutely. You want to bring the community together? Let's bring the community together. Let's bring everyone together. We got everything. Inside Discord, you got everything. You got big beefy blokes going around going, I don't want any of this. Then you got the fruity fellas, they're having a good time. You got the lovely ladies over here, they're having a good time. And then you got ones that go in between all the channels going, I'm just checking it. I'm all over the place, mate. I'm in the fruity fellas, I'm in the lovely ladies, I'm all over the place. Today, we've broken Discord. No longer shall it be known as an investment channel. It's now becoming a global community of everything. I thought we were going to do a poll. Who is a fruity fella? Care Bear is awesome. Yeah, just applied. James, yeah, I just saw it, mate. Pop up. Thanks, Martyn. You're very welcome. It's my gamer tag because there's nothing worse than being killed by someone called Care Bear Sparkles. But I'll take fruity fella. Yeah, can you imagine? You're on Call of Duty. Everyone's going, Martyn, it's not Call of Duty anymore. It's something else now. What's it called now? Was it Warriors? I don't know. I'm a ZX81. I'm a Space Invaders guy. I don't know. Whatever. Fortnite. Is it Fortnite? I don't know. Anyway, you're going around with your bloody great gun. Like that. What's your name? Oi! Tony! What's your name? No, that's wrong. He said, oi! What's your name? Tony. Well, you, Tony. You know, you're going around with your big gun, you know, I don't know, big butch fella, and then just pop up behind, just pop up from behind the bush is a fruity fella, Care Bear Sparkles, who goes boop and pops you out, and then you go, oh bloody hell! I didn't get blown up by a big butch fella. I got blown up by boop, little Care Bear Sparkles. Fan art already on it. I knew this was coming. Fruity fellas making money. Making money. Martyn with Carmina Miranda hat. Phoenix Nights. Phoenix Nights. There it is. Martyn at Phoenix Nights. You know Peter Kay, he actually called me up once.
At Diesel _
After
Ava
Stars and
tipped
Rise.
$4.99 through Super Chat. Fan art is ready, sir.
Oh, God. Oh, God. So glad I found your channel. We're so glad we found you. Are you a lovely lady? Or are you in and out of all the rooms? Like that? Or are you a fruity fella? Where are you? We don't know. We want to find out. Meetups. Yeah, okay. Play up with that one. What the bloody hell? This went downhill fast. Put on a line of sleeping bags and call them fruit roll-ups. Selling fridges. For those of you who don't know, we sell broken fridges. You could go onto the shop, martynlucasshop.com. Have you tried it out yet? Have I given you the link? There's great stuff on the shop. Seriously, there's hats, T-shirts, broken fridges. I mean, we sell broken fridges. And if you can fix it, send it back, you get your money back, right? There you go, martynlucasshop.com. Check it out. Buy a mug, buy a T-shirt. I'm not even going to show you on the screen. I'm not even going to show you. You got to go and have a look. This is brilliant. Absolutely brilliant. I'm loving it, loving it, loving it. I'm going to end this. Fan art. Let me go to fan art. Here we go. This is going to be good. This is going to be an absolute nightmare. Absolute nightmare now. Everything is blown. I've got hundreds of applications on Discord. Does anybody want a job? William, can you accelerate the ambassador program? Fan art. Oh my God. Look at this. Oh no. Oh no. What's happened? What the heck has happened? Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome to the stage for the very first time, the Fruity Fellas. Fruit fun and financial freedom. Gay men love gains. Lucasade's prize portfolio. No agenda, just agenda and fruit. Bloody hell, lads. Not the pineapple again. Oh, God. Oh, God. Oh, God. Tea-fueled and fabulous. Oh, my God. We got to do the YMCA, haven't we, on Friday? Oh, my God. This is totally and utterly out of hand. Has anyone seen this? This is going on the back of a T-shirt. This is already happening. Look at this. Who wants a T-shirt of Sensei, Pimped Sensei? I mean, the whole channel just gone, bleh. I think it's better. I think it's better. I absolutely think it's better. I think the more fun that we can have, the more money we can make, the more people can tune in. I think it's brilliant, personally. I'm having a great old time here. So there we go. There's our fruity fella, Sensei, with his Pimp T-shirt. I'm holding my broken fridge. Fruity fridges. Usually ends up with him getting banned for losing it in voice comms. Care Bear Sparkles. Where are we? Oh my God, I can't even keep up. Fruity fridges. All we need now is, we all needed a day like this. So much fun. Fruity fridges. Oh my God, that is awesome. Discord today. Yes, right after this. Zero Care Bears present. Image rejected. We got pimps and fruits. Right, listen, folks. Get me bloody hat off. We've got to get serious now. Let's get serious. Let's go to the Discord. Oh, best day ever. Best day ever. Right. We're going to be rich. We're going to be having fun. We're going to be all over the place. It's bloody marvelous, isn't it? Absolutely bloody marvelous. Yeah, everything's bouncing back. It's good, isn't it? It's good here. So let's go to the Discord. Is this not the best community in the world? Right. We're about to hit $1 million. We got fruity fellas, lovely ladies coming out of in and out all over the place. And yeah, it's good. So I'm going to go and set up Discord. I'll be there on the hour. 1:45 on the hour. Only a bit late. Only an hour late. All right, let's do Discord. Let's welcome everybody in. I want to onboard everybody, so just please bear with me. I anticipate being there by on the hour, and let's get it on. All right, we're gonna have some fun. I'll see you over on Extra. Thank you very much indeed. Please jump in on Extra. Replay of what you missed. We're showing a bit of what we're showing now, a bit of SpaceX. It's like going to the movies. Yeah, we're showing SpaceX right now. It's like going back to the future with the present. Live now on Extra. Oh, you never know. You wake up every day and you never know on this channel what is going to happen next. You never know what's going to happen. And now we've done what we've done today, get ready for a major explosion. No joke. I've got a massive following in certain sectors in this area. So we're going to have a lot of fun now. You're going to have a lot of fun with this. Right. I'm out of here. See you on Extra. It's pinned to the top. It'll take you there automatically. I love you all, and I'll see you on Discord in a minute. Just give it on the hour, I expect, or soon as. That's it from me. Take care of yourselves and each other. Bye-bye.